Now we are going to define parabola. As we define the set of points whose distance from a fixed point and whose perpendicular distance from a fixed line not passing through that point is constant, then it is called a conic. So here we must have that fixed point, that fixed line, a point on the conic. So that given condition describe our conic parabola. So a parabola is the set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed line and fixed point on other than the fixed line in the plane. That is, that point is not lie on the given fixed line. So let S be a fixed point and let L be a fixed line not passing through S. So S is called focus and the line L is called the directrix of the parabola. That is, if this is fixed point focus on x-axis and if this is line L not passing through S and a point P on the surface of the conic, then SP, and from P we draw a perpendicular. So we can find out the perpendicular distance PM. Generally we can say P1, M1. So all these points will satisfy this condition. Or here we can also draw. So these all points will satisfy the given above condition. So if P is a point on a parabola and perpendicular distance of P from the directrix is PM, then according to definition of parabola, SP is equal to PM. That is, SP over PM which is equal to 1, which is equal to E. Thus, according to definition of eccentricity, of a conic, then parabola is a conic with eccentricity E is equal to 1, that is distance of a fixed point from the point on the parabola to the perpendicular distance of that point from the fixed line, and by taking their ratio, that is come out to be 1, then it is called parabola, that is given surface is parabola. Now we will derive the standard form equation of a parabola. That is, let Z be the foot of perpendicular from focus S to the line L, that is directrix. That is, if we draw the diagram, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and if this is parabola passing through E, here S, and this is line L, and Z be the foot of perpendicular from S to L, and let A be the midpoint of ZS. Therefore, SA is equal to AZ, and as ZS is perpendicular to L, that is A lies on parabola. Now we choose if A as origin, then AS as moving in the direction of positive direction of x-axis, and let ZS is equal to 2A. Then S is equal to A, 0 and Z becomes minus A, 0. Then equation of directrix is x is equal to minus A. And same, to derive the equation of parabola, let P be the point with coordinate xy on the parabola, whose distance we have to measure from PS, and from P draw PM perpendicular to the fixed line directrix L. So, let P of xy be any point on the parabola, as already said, and let M be the foot of perpendicular from P to directrix L. Then coordinates of M are minus a comma y, as equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a, that is fixed, where y is the height. So as the point P lies on the parabola, therefore by definition of parabola, that is eccentricity, SP is equal to PM. So on squaring, we get SP square should be equal to PM square. So as we know, S is a comma 0, P is x comma y, M is minus a comma y. We can find SP square and PM square by using distance formula, and that is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0, that is y square, and x plus a whole square, and y minus y is 0 square. So from this we get y square is equal to x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square. That gives a plus b into a minus b. So we get here 2x and here we get 2a. That is, we get y square is equal to 4ax. Therefore, y square is equal to 4ax is the standard form of the equation of the parabola with focus as a comma 0 and directrix x is equal to minus a. So this is the required equation of parabola. Now problem based on standard form of parabola. Find the standard equation of the parabola whose focus is four comma 0 and equation of directrix is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, as the focus is S, which is 4 comma 0, and x is plus 4 is equal to 0, give x is equal to minus 4, equation of directrix. as we know, that equation is represented as x is equal to minus a implies a is equal to 4. Therefore, standard equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, that is 4 into x, that is 16x. So this is a required equation of parabola.